Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming essential permissions and updates so voice typing can actually run. Open Settings, go to Apps, select your keyboard and the Google app, grant microphone and speech permissions. Once done, update Gboard or your keyboard app from the Play Store and install pending system updates. Clear the keyboard app cache and data if permissions were already set, then restart the phone to refresh background services. These steps ensure the app has access and the latest fixes before deeper troubleshooting. Next, configure the voice engine so recognition behaves correctly. Open System or Keyboard Settings, choose Virtual Keyboard, and pick Google Voice Typing or your preferred engine as the active input method. Make sure the language matches what you'll speak and download offline speech files if you need offline use. Enable use of network-based recognition for better accuracy when online. Once configured, test voice typing inside a simple app like Notes. Speak short sentences to confirm activation and detect. Finally, apply advanced fixes to resolve stubborn problems. If voice typing still fails, reset app preferences in settings to restore disabled services, then uninstall and reinstall the keyboard or Google app. Inspect the microphone, remove cases, test with the camera app, and try a headset mic to rule out hardware. Disable battery optimizations for the keyboard and Google app so they run reliably. If things go wrong, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party app conflicts. That single troubleshooting step often reveals the culprit you need to remove.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.